Hello, YouTube. So I really didn't have a topic set when I was recording this. So I was just kind of like freehanding it, having a little bit of fun with the lighting settings and just overall flying it, really. Kind of wish I spent a little bit more time over the water, especially looking down in it, trying to see if there was any large fish. Mind you, I didn't catch anything when I was out there. I was using some sand fleas that I was able to catch, but not very many of them. So just flying out towards the water a little bit. I'm pretty darn low, so when I start going back in, I bring it back up. As you can see, I'm like just above the waves, and it was I was like 4 feet, 3 feet, something like that. Anyway, I started to bring it up slowly, and then I really bring it up because I was getting towards the shoreline. And over there, I believe that tall building are apartments, and then those are like little condos and houses that people own. I could only imagine how much those cost, though. Uh, the clarity that I see, watching this on my Alienware is actually really phenomenal. I was watching this on my other laptop before, and I didn't see the amount of detail that I see here. And you can see my blue truck is right over there as I kind of go up here. And then that's going to be the bay side over there on that side. Uh, Makes me want to go back over there and go fishing again, actually. But it's starting to get a little cool, so it really wouldn't be good for swimming, but for fishing, it'd be more than adequate. And then I'm kind of panning towards the south, and that will be South Padre. And further, quite a few miles further would be Mexico. Some really beautiful flying over here. Anyway, that's pretty much all I have to talk about this video. So thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And I am so sorry on how long it took for me to bring this video out. Anyway, it is here. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Smash that like button. I got a lot more drone footage coming for you guys.